Hey, how you doing, guys? Nice to meet you. My name is Andre Carvalho. Welcome to Garage Truth. Welcome to my community. So I'm here to tell my mission, and my mission is very simple. It's teach you and guide you to do a simple, essential repairs on your own car. So if you want to, learn simple repairs, I'm going to teach you. If you want to maybe do some extra cash, a side hustle, and also I'm going to teach you to do that, because those essential repairs is very simple to learn, and with using cheap, tools for do that. I already have almost 20 years experience doing auto repair service, and I see this thing over and over again at the shop. People pay, way too much money for, simple repairs, like for example, replace filters, replace bubble, tire flat repair. So my main goal here is to teach you to do that on your own car. Or maybe you can start doing like small automobile repair service for your neighbors, friends, whatever, or find out some clients at the marketplace. But anyways, my main goal here is to do that. If you want to grow, if you want to learn, I'm here to guide you to do that, teach you to do that. Each repair, each tools is necessary to do, and also that's because I'm creating this community. We almost 200 people already on the community we have on school, and yeah, my mission here is to grow this community and get 100,000 people until 2026 December. So if you want to stay with us, save money on your own car, I'm gonna teach you. If you want to do some money for other people's cars, I'm going to teach you and guide you step by step on the community, video by video. And those videos, I'm going to teach you step by step how you're going to learn to do those simple repairs and using, simple tools and cheaper tools to do that. And also I'm going to guide you to do like, buy those tools, for you, not just watch the videos, but actually do the thing, start doing on your own car. So guys, that's my mission. I'm here to help. I want to help everybody who's going to the community on school. On my video, you can see the link for the community. It's going to be free until December. Next year, we're going to start to charge $7 per month, monthly, and each month we're going to, post it probably 1 to 2 videos repairs for sure. And that's my goal, each month 2 or 1 video for each repair, for mechanic, bodywork repair, paint repair, and detailing. And also show you guys the tools to do each repair. And someone who wanted to turn like a pro, turn like those skills in mobile mechanic, auto repair service, I'm gonna teach you to do that, because that's the way I started my, my business here on US, and now I have a shop. So it's possible for you. If it's possible for me, it's gonna be possible for you for sure. And I'm gonna be here to teach you and help you every day to do those repairs. And also, remember, my mission is get 100,000 people until December 2026, and I need your help to do that. So stay tuned, stay with me, growing and learn, and help other people to do the same way, to guide the same way. Thank you very much for your time, and I see you on the community school. Thank you.